What we have done up to now, we defined our bars, applied them to axis, and we've done cutting. Mitered cut here, profile cut over there. Now let's do a few other cuts that are already possible. So let's switch plan elevation, and I draw a few lines to apply bars. 1, 2, and a third one. And I want to apply this profile to this axis. Let's rotate back to the 3D space again. How do I do this? Up to now, we were using these bars as semi-finished product in 3D. But we have also seen, after using them in 3D, they became 3D bars in the Bar Assembly Manager. So what we can do now, when they are bars, we can also use bar assemblies or apply bar assemblies to put them on an axis. So I take this command. In the list, I see both of the profiles. I select profile, new, OK. And to do it in a fast way, I select multiple, select everything, and the bars are applied. Now I can do the cutting between these bars. I select determine bar joint again, this one with that one. And here I see all the types of joints I get offered. Let me start on the left side with profiled butt. Profiled butt will cut to the cutting outline. So when I click the 3 dots, I see what happens. So this will be precisely cut along this line. Okay. Of course, in real life, nobody would do it that way, but just to show you what happens, it's cut now precisely to the cutting outline. On the right side, I do the cutting again, determine bar joint, this one with that one. Now let me choose plain butt. When I click plain butt, you see it's a saw cut. It's one cut, it's not profiled or shaped, it's just a plain cut like with a saw blade. When I click OK, OK, you see it's cut right there. When I redo it, I can edit it at any time. So I could choose another type of cutting, but also click the 3 dots here to specify a gap. Let's say 5 millimeters, enter. Now I cut a gap here in between. Now let me isolate the profiles so that we can get a better view. And you see now on the left side, profiled butt, where this bar is exactly cut to the outline of the other one. Technically nonsense, of course, but you see how a cut like this can be done. And on the right side, you see the plain butt cut, which is not only a 90-degree cut, but any, let's call it saw blade cut. It can be also angled. And this is already possible with the options that we have. So when I end object in isolation here, we see mitered cut here, profile cut over there and there. And here we've got the plain butt cut with a gap of 5 millimeters. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give us a thumb up. If you want to see more, please subscribe. For more information about ATHENA, please click the links below.